Hey guys, I want to share with you my latest project that I did for one of my clients, a custom sales SKU report app where I fix one common problem if you have bundles as standalone products. You can't properly count the SKU. So in this example, I have bundle that contains both of these snowboards. And so in net items sold, there is a mistake. And we also can't get how much of these items we sold outside US and in US. Let's jump to my app and I show how I did it. So this is my custom app. And here we have quantity, orders, and total amount. And so to get this data, I use Shopify bulk operation to get orders from specific period time in my date selector. And then it returns our orders, each order, and we can loop through our orders and count our SKUs. And I also can get shipping country, so I can filter and I can separate orders which are shipped to US and non-US countries. We are still have our SKU that is a snowboard bundle. I solve this by using orders mapping. So here I have my bundle SKU and I also provide here which product SKU are inside of this bundle. So let's rerun our analytics. So as you can see, we don't have our bundle SKU anymore and we successfully updated quantity. And as you can see, we also increased order count, but we had only 7 orders, right? But we want to count unique appearance in orders. For client, it was important because they had warehouses in US and also outside US. So that's how they can spot trends and they can spot the products that they need to update. Before that, they used custom Excel functions that took a lot of time each week to get proper report. I also enjoy making this app, so I wanted to share with you and show you little overview how this custom sales report app works. So see you next time.